Welcome to Vinyasa. My name is Millie. Let me show you my life. My life is cool. Look at this. It is windy.
We are going for a walk. Again, it's so windy. We've just had a lazy Sunday. We're out with Alex and Taylor from Isabella again, and we're just hiking around. And they're rebuilding here in Black Point, and yeah. Alex, stop grabbing my boots.
What?
All right,
Cody's allowed.
The absolute most important part of our 2022 was meeting a lot of new friends. And now, being over a year later making this video, sorry about that, I can with certainty say that these friendships were meant to last. Getting older, there's fewer and fewer places you actually meet new people regularly. But sailing, it's all different. And it's not only Cody and I that get to appreciate the benefits of new influences. It's also a priceless perk for Millie to get to call our new friends aunts and uncles. And in all honesty, we need the help. I mean, raising her. And I wouldn't have it any other way. I'm Therese, and this is Cody. After meeting in Fiji, we decided to continue living our lives together. With a love for the ocean, we upgraded and combined our shelters to a 40-foot sailboat and started exploring our options. While working, fighting, loving each other, and dreaming, we also managed to make a human. This is Millie Breeze, our little girl we hope to teach that life is simple if you let it. Subscribe and join us with the world at our keel.
So we are headed out to Staniel Key right now. We have a northeasterly blow coming in, and Staniel's pretty much our closest option. Plus we're out of fuel, and we know some secret spear spots, so.
and we have friends that are leaving from there.
Us, Wildly Intrepid, who is right here, and Isabella and Wildly Intrepid. We're all headed out to the same place, and then as soon as this front passes, we'll start heading south to Georgetown. Oh, you're sailing. Are you motoring too?
See? How do you feel now?
Nah. I gotta charge batteries. I can't believe you. What are you doing? How many knots are you doing? That's pretty good. Shake your hand. You do like this? Millie's over it. That's enough of this.
Alright, bye-bye now.
You going on a trip?
Yeah, go spend some time with Dad so Mom can work.
Big boat.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Oh, big boat. Bye-bye. You see some airplanes? Big boat. Bye-bye, Mom.
I'm not gonna lie, a good scheduled chunk of alone time has become very valuable to me, and I kind of praise my not having to see everything mentality when they go out on adventures alone, because I need time in my shell. It's the only way I keep my sane, and also a huge thing for Cody, both for our relationship and for him figuring out his own connection with our daughter. He definitely has some high hopes for her future spearfishing skills. And while it might seem like he just abandoned her in the dinghy, that is not entirely true. Our friends Corey and Alex, equally as adventurous as Cody, usually came along with their daughter Coral. And then, as the sun was setting, we were all ready for sundowners and downtime together.
from Staniel Key headed down to Rudder Cut, or around the area. We'll pull into Galliot Cut, and then
that's what we hope.
see
And
what happens.
it's like the end, or the back end of a storm right now. It's still nor'easterly. I'm kind of like eager to start to go before the wind switches east, and especially before it switches southeast, because then it's just gonna not be comfortable and just motoring into it. So maybe we get to sail a little bit. The water, I think, looks pretty flat.
We just hope that it stays behind the beam as much as possible.
Yeah, we're on the beam.
We're gonna be close.
Yeah.
We're probably
It's a
gonna be
little,
forward of the beam
we're a little
apparent for
tired
25.
today. Millie is recently getting teeth, and she's just being a little bit annoying. Yeah.
Uh-huh. No, you're not. Say, no, I'm not, Mom.
Yeah, let's hopefully go sailing.
Sailing is fun. I mean, when it's not too windy or not enough wind or current against you or swell in the wrong direction.
This one, oh my gosh. I've been so mad at her today. And you can say, how can you be mad at that face? Well, I can, apparently, very easily.
When you have to look at it every day, we can be mad at it.
It's peaceful. Well, when you can cut the engine off at least, and everyone's in a good mood, meaning not cranky or tired. I mean, it's worth it, generally speaking.
It's about 15 knots of wind right now, which is not too bad. It's like a nor'easterly going east. We're going basically southeast. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. But got 25 miles max to go. We can stop at any point. So we'll just go until we don't want to go anymore, and then drop the hook, I guess. Actually ended up being a pretty beautiful day of motor sailing. You can really just sail all the way. We're trying to make it now into, what is it called here, babe? Galliot?
Galliot Cut. We're going nose into the 20-something knots in the Galliot. It's fairly deep. We're past the narrow section. Did she pee?
No, she spilled water. Yeah, right? It's not pee, it's water on your pants. Yeah, we tried to just find a best little spot with a beach in sight, and that's pretty much what we're doing. Corey and Alex and Wiley Intrepid are right behind us. We're all gonna just hang out here for tonight and wait for Alex and Isabella tomorrow, and then start to make our way down to Rudder Cut throughout this week and see some cool stuff. So that's cool. I think this is the spot.
This is the spot.
This is the spot. Hear that, Mel? This is the spot. What's the depth?
Less than 20, but getting deeper than we started. We're on the edge of the drop-off.
Here is Wiley Intrepid coming in behind us. It's always good to have a set anchor so they can position themselves.
I dropped anchor on the edge for give you guys some room. Wait, where's the caves at? Is that Cave Key has the caves? Awesome, sweet. Yeah, it'll be a cool area to go check out for sure.
There was a guy playing a trumpet on the beach just now.
That was the very first.
It was
Here
the very
at
first
Galliot
time.
Key.
Mm-hmm.
Sunset.
Never heard that before.
No.
The girls are drinking wine.
Hey.
Nice sunset.
Baby. Yes.
Baby.
Your little sister.
Baby.
Papa? Papa?
Sitting pretty at Rudder Key cut? No, Rudder Key? I don't know. Something. Where all the cool stuff is. We got Isabella, we got Wildland Intrepid coming in. Hot! So, should be a lot of cool stuff. Whoa, my hair. Should be a lot of cool stuff down here in Rudder Key. Should be a piano buried somewhere, which I'm dying to see, and it should be a cave you can go in at low tide. We will keep you posted once we are up in the morning, I guess.
Yeah, I'm in full reverse.
Nice little help from some friends when you didn't feel like jumping in the water and your friend already did to double check the anchor.
Still brushing?
You done?
Need help? Nope.
So, we just woke up. We're here in, where are we? Galliot? No, Rudder Cut. We're at Rudder Cut right now. There's a bunch of things to explore here, we think. It's a beautiful day, and we're gonna go around here and see what's up. I'm super tired. Millie's been needy. She's teething again. I don't think that ever ends, honestly. But enough about that. Let's get some coffee. Go for a little dinghy explorer. A little pre-exploring ride, I guess. Yeah, you broke them yesterday. Yep. No more sunglasses for mom. Are they Friday? Okay. So we noticed yesterday that the current and the tides and everything here are kind of wild. We were swinging, sitting over our anchor, and doing all kinds of crazy stuff. But seems like in the end, we are at least set with our anchor. We didn't move. What do you think?
Yeah, I'm pretty happy about it. Yeah, it's a lot of wind against tide, so you end up sailing over top of the anchor, which isn't fun.
Come on.
That's what I thought.
Okay. Still pretty cool. I think this mountain has cavities.
This is what happens, Millie, when you don't brush your teeth too much. If I'd have been smart like you, I'd probably went back.
Is that a squid?
Look, yeah, he's got a squid.
I almost thought he'd get me.
I'm gonna try to catch him by hand. Here, hold my coffee.
No.
In the wave action, I mean, the waves aren't big. It's just it's a weird angle with current cushions, you know?
Yeah.
And as Dad is pounding conch, Millie and I are having breakfast. And we still have butter pate from Norway. This is Millie's favorite. And her new thing is she has to eat it by herself. Otherwise, she will not have any. Want more? Yeah. Here you go. Good job. Good job. Yeah. All right. Trying to take a couple hours off this morning. Enjoy some family time. And we'll see what the day brings.